All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today you are going to create your student portfolio and you're going to edit it. So this video is telling you how to do those things. You can watch this as a review. I will be demonstrating this in class. So you don't have to watch this video if you are familiar with copying and using Google Slides. But here's what you're going to do. So you're going to go to the assignment portfolio intro slide. You are going to click Student Portfolio Template. It's going to prompt you to make a copy. Click Make a Copy. The first thing you always do when you make a copy of something that I give you as a template is you're going to change the copy of to your name. I'm changing mine to my last name. You can change it to your first name. It does not matter to me. So then what you are going to do is you are going to not worry about slide 2 right now, but you're going to work on slide 1. The first thing you should do is put your full name. I like going by my middle initial, so I stuck that in there. You don't have to, but you do have to put your first and last name there. You're going to put your email. You're going to put your current school. You're going to put your current teacher. That is either me or Mrs. Menes, whichever art teacher you have. You're going to put your years in middle school art. For you guys, it's going to be 1, because this is your first year. For me, it is 17. Ha ha he he. So then you are going to put your strengths, your weaknesses, and your goals. Your strengths are going to be artistic strengths. So I am really good at color choice and sculpture. I like symbolism. Yours can be really simple to start, maybe a sentence or 2. You might want to add to this as we go through the course and you're like, oh wait, I'm really good at this thing. Weaknesses. I am weak in realistic drawing. And this could be wherever you feel. This might change during the course of our year together, but where you're starting, if you still feel at the end, if you find, oh wait, we did printmaking and I really am really bad at registering my prints, you can always add to this. So I just want you to have a starting point for this slide. It is a work in progress. It is going to change throughout the year, because this presentation we're going to use all year long. So then goals. I really want to spend more time working on thinking in 3 dimensions. Sculpture. This may also change during the course of your art year. Now you will notice this cute little cat pic. This cute little cat pic should not be a cute little cat pic. You need to change it to a portrait. You can change this to a self-portrait. You can change it to any kind of image you want. You're going to click on the image and click and hold or left click to replace the image, and you want to upload for your computer. You could upload for your drive if you have some. I just downloaded a Bitmoji that I'm going to use for today. This image can also change, but I want you to change it to something that is not the cat pic to start. So I have changed my self-portrait image. I have filled in all of my information. Now the last part of this that you need to do is this black and white slide is super boring. I want this to not be super boring. So what I want you to go is to Slides and, let's see, Edit Theme. What? No, not Edit Theme. Sorry. Sorry, clicked the wrong button. Miss Chesser was wrong. Too long. Slide, Change Theme. And then you can look at, there are lots of themes to pick from here. You can pick any of these. You could also take one of these, like if I'm going to take this one, and let's see, hold on, import theme. You can also go to import theme and import a theme that you've used before. Okay, so it did change my text, but it didn't change my background. So now I'm going to click, I'm trying to remember how to do that. So I can go to slide, oh, I can apply layout. There we go. So I can apply layout, and I can change it here. Oh no, that's terrible. Undo, Control Z. So it already changed my fonts to match this title, but I can slide, change backgrounds. I can change my background to a different color. Ooh, like this. I could choose an image, but for the most part, we want to keep it as a color. You could also make it a gradient. So I would not do something that's a crazy image, but you could change your back because you're going to keep this same format for all your slides. So I would keep it as a gradient or a solid. If you have like a pattern picture that you want to put in the background, you could. And then click Add to Theme, because if you click Add to Theme, it's going to change all the images going forward to that. And then click Done. I don't like that one. So play around with this a little bit until you're done. Once you are done, you're going to go to Share. You're going to share the link with Howard County School Systems. You're going to change it to Commenter so that your art teacher can comment on it. You're going to copy that link, go back to the Canvas assignment, and let me show you Student View so I can show you what it'll, not yet available, oops. And you're going to click Submit. Maybe I'll edit this video later, leave Student View. When you're going to click Submit and paste the link here. So you're turning this in. So you've made sure you have changed the self-portrait picture, you've added your name, you've typed your answers, and you've picked a layout. That is what you need to do today.